Talking about different kinds of angles formed by a transversal. A transversal is if you have any two lines. They don't have to be parallel. Special things happen when they are parallel. But if you have any two lines and a line that cuts across those two lines, the line that cuts across is called the transversal. And there's positional names that we have for different kinds of angles. When the angles are on opposite sides of the transversal, but still between the lines, we call that alternate interior angles. And then if they are on opposite sides of the transversal, but outside of the lines, that's called alternate exterior angles. If they're on the same side of the line, but one's in, one's out, for example, the green here, that's in, that's out, same side, we say that those are in corresponding positions, so we call that corresponding angles. And then the last one, if they're both inside and on the same side, we call that consecutive interior angles. So let's look at our diagram to the right. Our transversal here is line H. Line H is the transversal cutting across lines M and N. And we're asked first for alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles would be like 2 and 7 because they're on opposite sides of the transversal but outside of the lines. So one set would be 2 and 7. Another set would be 1 and 8. That would be alternate exterior. Alternate interior would be 3 and 6. And then another set could be 5 and 4. Corresponding angles, there's 4 of them. 4 sets, I should say. 8 and 4 would be 1. And then 6 and 2 would be another. And then 5 and 1 would be another. And the last set would be 7 and 3. For Alex, it only wants one set. I've given you all the possible pairs. So for the first one, we want alternate exterior angles, so that's going to be 7 and 2, or 2 and 7. Then we want a set of alternate interior angles, that would be 3 and 6, or 5 and 4. And then corresponding angles, 8 and 4 would be a set.